All right, thanks for taking a walk around with me. This is a 2026 Harris 250 Grand Mariner, 25 feet in length. Check out the front of this boat. So gorgeous. Love the Grand Mariner. Those docking lights, the lights on the outside. Black boat, black tower. As we come around here, you can see you got the ski tow bar. This obviously has a Merc on the back. This is a 350 horsepower V10. Look at the size of that prop. This thing scoots. Love the new ladder. This is the lily pad ladder. Nice big steps to get up on the boat from in the water. And then it just has a little thing that just lifts it right up here. Awesome. Why don't you join me aboard and let's check out the rest. All right, welcome aboard this 2026 Harris 250 Grand Mariner. We'll start off. This is the SLDH single lounger with the dual helm seats. This is a very flexible type setup. So I can move this backrest. All three of these move up as backrests as well if you want to face forward. Storage underneath, storage under there. I want to point out this is the table that comes with it. The base can be put anywhere you'd like, but nice teak looking table. And we've got the nice power tower. So this is controlled by a button, or it does have a remote as well. The lighting that is in the tower is on as well. You've got JL audio throughout, obviously up there on the tower for the speakers. Dual helm seats, another pull-out table, and then we come to the helm. Nice raised helm. We got the new ultra wide Simrad. All your controls right there. You do have some redundant controls by the steering wheel here, and then your digital throttle for your 350 V10. Then the JL head unit. Cup holders everywhere. It's hard to see in the light, but there is LED lighting that is throughout the boat. Underneath seats, cup holders, places to charge phones. As we come to the front, 25 feet. So you got tons of space up here. You've got fold down armrests with the cup holders. Storage in the floor. Cup holders all the way around. Places to plug in your phones. Beautiful Grand Mariner 250 here at Rogers. Stop on by anytime or give us a call to set up an appointment.